Hello friends. First of all, welcome to 12th science class. Today we are going to discuss about new syllabus of the year 2020-21 and the approx weightage of each chapter with the help of all pattern weightage for that chapters. We all know that for the HSC board exam, the subject maths divided into two parts, math part first and math part second. Firstly, we discuss about the math part first. In math part first, there are 7 chapters, namely the first chapter, mathematical logic. This chapter is totally new for you, but the name of the chapter is mathematical logic. It means that the concept of this chapter is based on logic, and also the questions of this chapter is totally depends on logic. That's interesting to solve for us. And this chapter was 6 marks in old syllabus. It means it will be near about 6 marks in this year also. Now, chapter number 2, matrix. We learn about some concepts of matrix in 11th class, that is determinant, how to solve determinant, also types of matrices, etc. And this chapter was 6 marks in old syllabus. It means it will be near about 6 marks in this year also. Now, chapter number 3, trigonometric functions. This chapter was 10 marks in old syllabus. Friends, it means it is very important chapter for you. And you learn in a 10th standard some basic concepts of trigonometric functions, that is some trigonometric identities, also some important formulae. Now, chapter number 4, pair of straight line. This chapter was 6 marks in old syllabus. It means this will be near about 6 marks in this year also. Now, chapter number 5, vectors. This chapter having near about 7 marks this year, because in old syllabus this was in a 7 marks. Now chapter number 6, line and plane. Friends, in old syllabus the line chapter and plane chapter are separated to each other and each had 4 marks each, but in this year these both chapter are combined and it will be near about 9 marks this year. Now, last chapter of part first, linear programming, and this was 4 marks in old syllabus. It means it will be near about 4 marks this year also. Now friends, we discuss about the maths part second. In math part second, there are 8 chapters, and in which some chapters we already learned in 11th class, means some basic concepts and formulae we all learned in a 11th class. The chapter number first, differentiation. In old syllabus it was 8 marks. It means it will be 8 marks in this year also. Now chapter number 2, application of derivative, and this chapter was of 8 marks to previous syllabus. It means this year it will be near about 8 marks. Now chapter number 3, indefinite integration. Friends, this chapter is very important for you, and it was 9 marks in previous syllabus. Now chapter number 4, definite integration. Friends, chapter number 4 and chapter number 5 are combined in a previous syllabus, but in this year both chapters are separated. Chapter number 5, application of definite integration. It means the fourth chapter will be combinedly near about 8 marks in this year. Now chapter number 6, differential equation. Friends, this chapter is of 7 marks in a previous syllabus. It means it will be near about 7 marks in this year also. Friends, chapter number 7, namely probability distribution. You learn in a standard some basic concepts of probability, and in a previous year it was 5 marks, means it will be near about 5 marks in this 2020 year also. Now friends, last chapter of part 2 is binomial distribution. Friends, this chapter was 5 marks in a old syllabus. It means it will be near about 5 marks in this year also. So friends, we discussed about some weightage, that is approximation weightage of each chapter is the best of old syllabus. Thank you and best luck for your 12th HSC board exam 2020-21.